Hi, fifth graders. Today we're going to learn about finding missing numbers, measurements, plotting points, and long division with remainders. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with missing numbers. So we're going to do number 6 together. Number 6 gave us right here, as I wrote it in both ways, 6,179 plus 774. So we just need to find the sum, right? So I put it in this formula, made sure that all the numbers were lined up correctly, and I'm going to solve it now. So we know that 9 plus 4 is 13, right? So we put 3 here and we bring 1 here. Now we do 1 plus 7 plus 7. So 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 5, so we put 5 here and we bring 1 there, right? Now 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 7 is 9. And then we don't have anything to bring over right here, so it's going to be just 6 plus 0, which is just 6. So we have a total of, let me write it down here. We have a total of 6,953. Now, in order to check my answer, I could subtract it using, by writing it out or by using a calculator. I'm going to use a calculator just to not waste any more time, right? So 6,179 plus 774. Yep, that gives us 6,953. Another way is just by subtracting, so it'd be 6,953, right? That's our total. And we could either subtract by 774 or by 6,179. I'm just going to do it by 774. So we get 13 right here, and so we get 9 right here, and then this one turns to 4. Now we need a bar from 9, and that becomes this becomes a 14, and this becomes an 8, right? And then 14, 7, 8 minus 7 is 1, and it's 6,179, which is the same as this number right there. So your correct answer will be 6,953 for number 6. Now we're going to do measuring. So for this one, they gave us 17 gallons and we had to find out how many quarts equal 17 gallons. So if we look below the directions right here, it says 1 gallon equals 4 quarts equals 8 pints equals 16 cups, right? So we only want to look at gallons and quarts because we're just trying to find quarts, right? So we know that 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, okay? Yeah, so 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. That's all we need to know for a number 9, right? So we're already given gallons, right? And we need to multiply by either 1 over 4 or by 4. And then to figure that out is by canceling units. So if we put gallons over here and quarts over here, we automatically cancel out the gallons, right? So of course it's gonna work out. So we're just gonna put 1 gallon and they gave us 4 quarts. So we can put 4 right there. So we're gonna end up multiplying 17 by 4. So 7 times 4 is 28. So we put 8 down there, bring the 2. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 68. So we get 68 quarts. Ooh. And let me check if that answer is correct once again. And yes, it is. It's 68 quarts. Now we're going to move on to plotting points. I hope I said 68. Yeah, it's 68. Sorry, we're gonna go on to plotting points. We're gonna plot point E. So point E gave us parentheses 7, -3. So we're given the x-axis right here, right? The x-axis and the y-axis right here. So x-axis, sorry about that, x-axis, y-axis. Now, so the number in front is always going to be the x. It's going to be on the x-axis. So we're going to look for 7 right here. It's going by ones. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is right here, right? Now, this second number right here behind the comma is going to be for the y-axis. So from 7, we need to find -3. So it also goes by 1 down. So 1, 2, 3, -3. So this is where our final point is going to be. Let me write it in a different color so it's easier to see. It's going to be right here. It's going to be point E. It's very easy. Now we're going to go on to long division. We're going to do number 2 together. Number 2 gave us 39,400 divided by 4. So let's divide that out. Let's divide that out. So how many times does 4 go into 3? 0 times, right? It can't go into 3. So we put 0. How many times can 4 go into 39? Well, let's see. 4 times, let's say 6. 4 times 6 is 24. We could go a little bit higher. 4 times 7 is 28. We could still go a little bit higher. 4 times 8 is 32, and we could still get a little higher. 4 times 9 is 36. We could still go higher. Let's see, 4 times 10 is 40. We can't use 10 because what? 39 is less than 40. So our best bet is going to be with 9, which is 39 minus 36. Oops, that was not aligned. 39 minus 36. And we know that 3 minus 3 is 0, but 9 minus 6 is what? 3. And then we bring down the 4. So let's once again, we said that 4 times 9 is 36. Let's get 1 down. 4 times 8 is 32. So we're going to put we're going to put 8 there. I'm going to get minus 32, right? And then we get 2 right here because 3 minus 3 once again cancels out. And then we bring down the 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times, right? Because 5 times 20 is what? 5 times 4 is what? 20. I keep that away. So 0, and then we bring the 0 down here again. And it's just 0. Oh, it looks like this one doesn't have a remainder. So for number 2, your final answer will be, let me write it down. Oh, let's see if our answer is correct first. It may be that I did it wrong. Nope, it seems as though this does not have a remainder. So your final answer for this one, oops, let me write, here we go, is 9,850 with a remainder of 0. So whenever you have a remainder, just put R and then write the amount of numbers that you have left over. And that's it for today. I hope this helped you a bit.